Try as we might, sooner or later we all move towards decay, and gear is no different. Music equipment, when it gets used, often gets scratched, and the worst offender of all are screens. Things that you have to cast your eyes adjacent to, reminding you of the inevitable march towards doom. Well, I've got a solution for you for scratched screens, and it's a thing called Polywatch. Now, Polywatch is designed originally for watches. It's a buffing compound designed to take the scratches out of watch screens. I love watches. I have many watches, including the mighty Casio 5610. This is the newer model, but I have a previous one that I owned, but there is a scratch on this screen. And so the idea of Polywatch is that you put a little bit of this compound onto a cotton wool roll thing, you know, makeup remover sort of thing. You apply pressure to the screen and you rub and rub and rub for a couple of minutes. And basically Polywatch is an abrasive substance, lightly abrasive, and so it will buff out the scratches. We should be able to take a significant portion of the scratches out. Let's try it. Here's the angle they'll never show you on eBay, where you can see loads and loads and loads of little like hairline scratches. Poor old girl. Let's see if we can Polywatch it better. We put a little greb of compound, and according to the instructions, you apply Polywatch to the plastic watch crystal. Polish the scratched areas for 2 to 3 minutes with pressure using a piece of cotton wool. Deep scratches needed to be treated more than once, don't we all? Okay. So let's try and clean off the compound with a clean one. Okay. There are many deep, deep scratches on this B3 because it was literally stamped on for many years. And I'm going to show you the before and after. So, before, after, before, after. And that's really with just 2 applications and a couple of minutes of polywatching. Obviously, if you spent more time with more pressure, you can get further down into the deep scratches because, of course, all you're doing with this compound is basically just shaving off that top layer of plastic so that all of the micro scratches that were just lightly cut into the surface get removed. Deeper stuff will take longer and, you know, may not come out at all, depending on how deep it is. But visually, to my eye, it is much cleaner and less scratchy than it was. You can see there are still scratches, but to the eye, it looks so much better. So I definitely recommend it. Polywatch, you can get it on the Tinternet. It is designed really for sort of plastic resins. I do believe there is like a glass buffing version of Polywatch. If you had something with a glass screen, which seems unlikely in the case of synths, most synths are going to have plastic screens. So it may be of use if you have a scratchy plastic screen on your synth or B3. Thanks very much. Bye.